Okay, Equivalent Uniform Annual Cost o EAUC. So ito yung formula sa economics na kino-convert yung future investment o future capital into a single account. So kung ano yung magiging investment mo in the future into a single account yan, no? Kasama dyan yung principal o yung initial investment, yung salvage value, yung interest rate, yung useful life ng robotics, at yung annual operating cost. So, pinagsama-sama yan. Mahaba yung formula niyan. So, yan yung pinagsama-sama yung future and capital investment into a single equation. So, dun pa lang malalaman mo na yung future and yung kahihinat na ng future investment mo and capital. So, yung magandang natututunan natin na pwede nating may ganun pala sa robotics. Hindi ka lang basta nagbubuting-ting, hindi ka lang basta nagpo-program ng software. Kasi kadalasan, doon lang tayo sa pagpo-program ng robot at doon sa pagbuting-ting at pag-assemble ng robot at paggawa nun. Evaluate lang ng technology, but when it comes to the business side, yun yung hindi natin inaalam. Yun yung nagpopondo ng robotic hardware and software natin. So, yun lang po.